Mechanized manufacturing revolutionized the production of goods. Mechanical inspection equipment aided in the dimensional inspection. Manual visual inspection was used to inspect for any visual defects. All the processes in the production system from manufacturing to inspection were manually dependent. As electrical and electronic systems started gaining ground, we started seeing digital controls added to machinery, making them easier to operate and better accuracy. Inspection equipment started getting electronic upgrades. CMMs started to make their appearance in inspection rooms. The manual visual inspection team was the undisputed gatekeeper of visual inspection. The increased production due to electronic systems in upstream operations started to stress test their eyes. As time progressed and digitization picked up, CNC machines started becoming a staple for machine shops. CMMs started appearing on shop floors and right next to machines. Digital inspection became the norm. The visual inspection team continued to do their manual visual inspection. The digitization happening around the shop floor started pushing visual inspection to the breaking limits of their productivity. Manual visual inspection is subjective and prone to human error. Training and retention of visual inspection skills are time-consuming. The performance impact of manual visual inspection on quality, cost, and efficiency is less than desirable. Visual defects contribute to over 60% of defects observed in incoming inspections for large manufacturers. The repeatability and reproducibility of manual visual inspection are poor. With affordable digital imaging technologies and improvements in image recognition algorithms, transformational opportunities are emerging for visual inspection. At Artispec Technologies, we are enabling manufacturing with a vision. Our AI models can detect dents, scratches, burr, and other visual defects. It is also capable of identifying any missing features on your part. Artispec's imaging and AI system integrates effortlessly onto multiple platforms like CNC positioning, robotic arms, fixed stands, and conveyor systems. Artispec's system requires no training for most standard visual defects, cost-effective, customizable, user-programmable, and can be ready for deployment from day one. Connect with us to solve your visual inspection challenges.